What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you. I had a guy say something to me the other day, man, and I've been thinking about it. He said, I am one of the highest in the area with what I do, but I stay busy. I stay booked all the time because I give quality and I stand behind what I do. He said, so if a customer come in and they complain about the price, I tell them to take something out of their budget because the prices are written in stone because you're getting quality work ethics and I'm standing behind my work. So if you don't like the price, take something out. That's all I can tell them. So he told me, I have no problem with paying you what you ask for as long as you give me quality. He said, if you give me quality, I'm not going to complain about it at all. He said, but if you charge me something and it's not quality, then I can complain. So think about that. When you're giving your services, when you're independent, when you're networking, when you're starting your business, make sure it's quality. Make sure you stand behind what you do. And you always stay busy. Hold on.